Did you know hot water can transform your health? For centuries, Chinese medicine has valued warm water. It's not just a drink, it's a daily ritual. This practice balances energy, improves circulation, and aids recovery. In traditional Chinese medicine, cold drinks shock the body. They tighten blood vessels and slow digestion. When you sip something icy, your body uses extra energy. This drains qi, your life force that keeps you strong. Cold water constricts blood flow, stiffening tissues. This leads to slower metabolism and digestive discomfort. It even puts more stress on your heart. So, the solution is to sip warm or hot water instead. It keeps your inner energy flowing and your body balanced. From a scientific view, warm water boosts circulation. It helps regulate blood pressure too. When drinking hot water, arteries expand. This allows blood to move freely, delivering nutrients effectively. Research shows warm fluids relax the nervous system. Lowered stress levels and stabilized blood pressure follow. Hot water helps heal bones and joints too. Warmth increases blood flow around injured tissues. It transports minerals and repairs cells faster. Warm compresses are recommended for recovery. This principle applies to warm fluids from the inside. Feeling under the weather? Warm water helps. It keeps mucus thin and clears your throat. Plus, it supports your immune system well. Cold water doesn't soothe respiratory passages like hot water does. If not plain hot water, try these healing teas. Ginger tea boosts immunity, warms digestion, and improves circulation. And this is chrysanthemum. This tea calms the liver and cools inflammation. Green tea offers antioxidants that protect your heart and brain. The next time you want a cold soda, think twice. Cold strips your body of warmth and energy. Hot water, on the other hand, restores it. Every sip is a small act of healing. It's simple, natural, and deeply powerful. Drink warm. Live balanced. Feel restored. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more tips. At Her One Energetic Advantage. Will you start drinking warm water daily? Health disclosure. This video is educational only, not medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider before changes. Bye bye for now. See you soon.